Hi boys and girls, and welcome back to part 2 of our city drawing assignment. Last week I showed you boys and girls a little bit about how to use a horizon line and a little dot to make some rectangles that sort of look like 3D buildings. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be adding more details, including windows and doors, to make this project look a little more like an actual town. Now before we go ahead and do that, I do want to show you some of the examples from previous years. I'm not expecting your finished projects to look like these. We're learning from home, so it is going to look different. But I do want you to look carefully at these and notice that each one of these projects has almost like a letter X going through it. And that's going to be important for what we're doing today, almost like a invisible X where all of the roads and sidewalks meet. So if you're ready, grab your ruler, grab your paper, and we are going to get started today on our next step. So the first thing I'm going to have you boys and girls do is I am going to have you draw for me a big straight line from the middle, this little dot here, all the way to the edge of your paper from the top and bottom on this side. Press kind of light. Go ahead and do that now. Okay. All right, now once you've went ahead and done that, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be drawing the trees of our project, our little trees. But when you draw your trees, they should not go past this line right here. They should not go past it. They should be from the top to the bottom. They should fit inside of these. If you're confused, go ahead and watch right now and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so notice that my trees did not go outside of those two lines. I don't have any up here. We want to keep them inside of those so they look like they're getting smaller as they get further away. We want them to look smaller as they get further away. Once you're ready, we're just going to go ahead and carefully erase those two lines we drew at the beginning. Okay, then at this point I'll add a few more details. What I'm doing is I'm erasing all of the lines where the ground and the trees meet because we don't want the ground to look like it's going through the trees. Now we have this side of our project all done and ready to color. Now I'm going to show you how to put these windows in. Okay, and these windows can be tricky, but I think you can do it. So I'm going to show you your first step. You're going to press lightly for this step. Okay, you're going to find your dot in the middle. Just like we did here, we're going to be doing the same thing on the other side. Same thing. Use your ruler, and I want you to draw a bunch of light lines from this dot going out. So go ahead and do that now. Okay, now once you're done, we have one more direction to put our windows and doors in. Let's draw some straight up and down lines. Let's connect them. Okay. Notice I'm going across these gray lines that I drew. Connect right along the gray. That gives me my windows. Let me try a few more over here. So when I go ahead and erase my gray lines, And congratulations, you're now all done with your drawing. And you are, actually, I'm not all done. I'm missing something, I just realized. I'm missing a door right down here. Okay, now I'm all set. If you would like to learn more about making roofs on these buildings, I will show you in another video, but you don't have to. At this point, you're ready to start coloring your projects. Thank you, and if you have any more questions, please feel free, boys and girls, to leave a comment on the assignment under Google Classroom, and I will get back to you. Thanks.